Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So this is our phase 2 preparation strategy video for your IBGO exam 2023. So I hope you completed so far phase 1. Okay, already I guess 4 to 5 days I have given you extra, and this is the phase 2 video, and this phase is our last phase of your exam. Okay, so let's start the video. So definitely no need to tell you period for this because this is the last phase. So try to complete this before your 15th of July. Okay, at least try, you can do. Okay, what in general mental ability you need to study? So time and work, time and distance, okay, analogy, classification, Venn diagram, then data interpretation, non-verbal reasoning. Now basically non-verbal reasoning, all the things like dice, okay, then your paper cutting, paper folding, water images, then a clock, everything, okay, will become here. In analytical, basically conclusion and assumptions, then argument and conclusion, okay, that thing you can do. Course of action, that you can do. So these are the 3-4 chapters you can do in this, right? Books and everything already I told you in the phase 1, that will remain same. And for our success pack and master success pack, okay, now for BCA BSc guys, success pack is not available. I will launch it and I will make the separate video. Okay, so do not worry, just focus on our this video. Okay, when main thing is that you should complete your syllabus as per our phase wise strategy, then only your success pack will help you, otherwise obviously not, because you are not studying, right? So time to time everything I will give you, just have patience and focus on your preparation, correct? Okay, so this is the thing only. Okay, now here Q box is there in your success pack. I will give you for master success pack. Already you have solved the Q box for general mentability. It is enough. Okay, then daily telegram PDF you are getting. So that telegram PDF also you can practice. One more thing in English, basically now we can include here. Already we complete English grammar. Okay, so in that now you can able to handle sentence improvement, sentence correction, then active voice, passive voice, indirect speech, direct speech. All these questions you can handle now because you complete English grammar. Also you can add here synonym antonym, and this synonym antonym you can do directly from our telegram PDF. Okay, no need to refer anything because in telegram PDF everything is detailed, correct? So this is all about your general mental ability, and few topics which I feel that okay it is important or they may ask you in your exam, I will add that in your mock test. Okay, no need to worry. Okay, so now see, for this PDF basically or for other subject also that I mentioned in phase 1, I didn't provide you sample questions because now I have new plan, and I hope that those who already join our IB batch, that is free batch, and those who are MSP student, already you saw the folder top 75 concept, right? So the next video will be that only, that in that what we are doing, how to use that and how to integrate that it with your preparation so that you will get success in your IB exam, correct? Everything I will discuss in the next video. So if you are watching this video for the first time, subscribe to our channel and like the video also, and also join IBGO batch and Telegram WhatsApp group, correct? Okay, so now already we completed 4 subject in your phase 1. Now the 5th one will be communication system, right? So in this what you need to complete, first block diagram of analog communication and digital. Basically it is divided into major 2 parts, analog and digital. So both the things we will do. Okay, so here get basic knowledge of each block, I already told here. Okay, then types of signals, various types of signals we have, standard signals also, and lots of signals we have, sine wave, cosine wave. Okay, about that you should have idea. Then what is multiplexing and types of multiplexing, then TDM, time division multiplexing, FDM, frequency division multiplexing, okay, code division multiplexing. So they need to study. Then modulation, demodulation, which is the most important. Then types of analog modulation. Now in analog also we have different types: AM, FM, PM, PAM, PWM, PPM, PCM. Okay, full form and everything you will get when you will study. Then in AM also we have types: DSB, FT, DSB, SC, SSB, VSB. Okay. Then in FM, basics of FM, what is frequency modulation. Okay. Then modulator, demodulator circuit to generate FM signal, and narrowband, wideband FM, which is a type of FM. Okay, obviously basics only. No need to go in very much depth for this. Then phase modulation, basics again, what is phase modulation, what happens in phase modulation. Then modulator and demodulation means generation and detection of that phase modulated signal. Okay. Then AM FM receivers, you need to study basics, characteristics of that, what are the features, okay, various parameters are there, that definition is required only. Noise, okay, what is noise? Basically when you will transmit the signal, then noise will occur, and because of noise what will happen, okay, what are the different types of noise, every information you should have. Okay, then introduction to encoding digital data to digital signal. Wait for some time. Encoding data to digital signal. Okay, then encoding techniques we have, unipolar, bipolar. Okay, just basics of that. Comparison of various techniques that you need to do. Then definition, basic definition related to digital data transmission, like baud rate, bit rate, channel bandwidth, channel capacity. Okay, Then we will enter to digital communication system, block diagram again, then sampling contention process, PCM, DPSM, DM, ADM, that you need to do. Digital modeling scheme, ASK, FSK, PSK, DPSK, QPSK, QM, that you will to do. Okay, and then multiple access techniques we have, time division, multiple access, code division and frequency division, multiple access. Okay, so this is you will do in your communication part. Okay, this is your fourth subject. Now the next is fifth or sixth subject. Sorry, this was fifth. In electromagnetic theory. Okay, so definition of waves. Now those who are from physics background, I hope that this thing you already did in your class 12th and that, right? For this chapter you can also refer NCERT. Okay, in NCERT also we have chapters, 4 chapters we have. So the combination of that 4 only we will study in electromagnetic theory. Okay, and little bit detail definitely I will cover in your mock test and everything, whatever it is there in your success pack, in that I will cover. Okay, so basically what is wave? Okay, and here they can ask also that what is the wave and signal difference, then transverse and longitudinal wave, so what are the different types of wave, then what are the electric charges, okay, then electromagnetic wave, what are the sources to generate electromagnetic wave, properties of that wave, means how it happens or how it behaves, then spectrum, most important fixed short question from this. Okay, then Maxwell equations, Coulomb's law, then electrostatic potential and capacitances, magnetic field, in that also sources, effect of current, what will happen because of current on magnetic field, Biot-Savart law and Ampere law, few laws are there in electrostatics also and magnetostatics also. Classification of magnetic material, electromagnetic induction, Faraday law and Lenz law. Okay, okay, so that's it, that's enough for your electromagnetic theory. Okay, the extra part which I feel I will add into mock test, no need to refer in much detail, these are the thing is enough. The next subject is your DBMS, okay, which is our 7th subject. So in this what you will study, database system and concept architecture, okay, then data modeling, ER relationship, what is ER model and that all the symbols which are included in that, then the relationship data, database constraint, ER again, okay, then SQL. Now basically lots of questions you will get from SQL you can expect, okay, so all the queries of SQL you need to study, then what is the use of this SQL, okay, why we use that, about security also little bit things you can do. Okay, then what are the constraint, schema definition, what is schema, every basic detail you will read here. Then functional dependencies and normalization for relation database design algorithm and further dependencies. Okay, so this is all about your database, which is your 7th subject. Now 8 is your C programming, data structures and algorithm. Okay, so I combined these 3 subjects into one only. Okay, otherwise it will be 8, 9, 10. So in 8 basically I have just given you, because obviously no need to refer in depth for all these 3. Okay, whatever you need to read I already listed down for you guys. So first is your programming in C. Okay, C language. Now see, basically in your IBGO exam they will not ask you to program. Okay, possibility is there because last time they didn't ask, but this time definitely it's been I guess 4 to 5 years, so possibility is there that they will ask basic programming. Okay, so suppose if you are from electronics, if you are from other background, okay, rather than computer science and IT, no need to learn programming, you can just skip that because they will ask hardly 1 to 2 questions for that. Okay, if they ask, I am talking about. So it is not like if you are from electronics you need to learn all the programming. No, just have the basic knowledge of concept. Okay, and programming basic concept you will get that. Okay, definitely I will add in your mock test so that will give you idea. Correct. So in that lots of things are there. So you will start with tokens, constraint, variable, keywords, identifier. Okay, now see, C programming basically it is there for electronics student also and computer science also. Okay, in your I guess diploma and BE Tech. So every detail you will get from that book only, right? For a BSc guys, BCA guys, okay, you will obviously be for BCA it is there. Okay, for BSc Physics and Mathematics, just you can take help from internet to get the concept, because already lots of things I wrote here. You just need to take a book and read this thing, right? That also you can do. Okay, and those who are suppose doing MSc, MCA, then I guess the MCA also definitely it is there, right? C programming basic first year. So I guess lots of candidate, almost 90% candidate to study programming in C, there is no problem in that, right? Okay, so whatever I wrote, okay, I already wrote in detail, so you can just go through that. This is for your C programming. Also this PDF I uploaded in your IB batch. Okay, the link and steps you will get in the comment section. Then second, data structures. Okay, all the things I already wrote here, so I will not dictate again. Algorithm also I wrote everything. Okay, so this is all about your 8th subject. And now the 9th subject we have, that is your basics of electronics, and I guess this is the last subject. Okay, this is the last subject. Okay, so see, in basics of electronics, first you will start with what is semiconductor diode. Okay, what is semiconductor? Here also you can read little bit about atomic theory, that what is a electron, proton, neutron. Okay, who invented electron, proton, neutron, what are the various experiment, that information at least you should have. Okay, then other things like types of diode, p-n junction, everything I wrote here, Zener diode, tunnel diode, all the types of diode, definitely. LED, varactor diode, Schottky diode. Okay, then power supplies we have. Then what is rectifiers? So half wave rectifier, full wave rectifier, short question from this also you will get. Then filters, again short question, L filter, capacitor filter. Okay, then BJT, short question, BJT. Then FET is there, MOSFET is there. Okay, so from this basically short question you will get, confirm. Then transistor as an amplifier. Okay, then amplifier chapter is there, that you need to study in very much detail. Then oscillator. Okay, then transistor as a switch. Then unstable multivibrators. Then IC, what is different integrated circuits we have, types of that. Okay, that IC numbers you need to refer. Basics of op-amp, so what is operational amplifier, differential amplifier, that basic things you need to study in this basics of electronics. Okay, so this is all about your IB syllabus. And then last, which is important, that is 10th, that is miscellaneous. Now see, as per your IB Geo job profile, okay, whatever is necessary and possible, I already told you, because in phase 1 what I told you, we have very limited amount of time. Okay, because your exam is expected in this month only, that is July 3rd week, I told you, right? So now the above 9 chapters, phase 1 plus phase 2, are super important, right? Means I can say you can expect somewhere around 80 to 90% of paper from above only, from 9, above 9, phase 1 plus 2, right? But for the remaining 10 to 20%, whatever is possible, okay, I will think around that, and I will add everything in your top 75 questions concept also, and in your obviously mock test, right? So no need to study all the things now, because see, electronics, computer science, if I combine both the things, then almost 20 to 30 chapters are there, which is not possible for you guys to complete in this 30 days only, right? That's why do study about 9 chapters properly, okay, in depth, whatever you have. And in the next video, that is top 75 only, I will take the queries, common queries like I am BSc candidate, how I can complete that, okay, and then I am BC, how I can do that. Every solution I am giving you in your top 75 concept video. Okay, so that is the important video that you will see, which is the next video after this. So the main thing is that for this 10 to 20%, okay, whatever is possible, I will add in your top 75 and mock test. Okay, so like this we are covering all the syllabus. Again, no need to take very much tension, as jitna ho sakta hai, okay, whatever is possible from you guys, do as per your resources. If you are from electronics, try to complete electronics first. If you are from computer science, try to complete computer science first, and then you can try for electronics. Okay, and lots of techniques are there, which I will discuss in your next video, which is your top 75 concepts. So do not forget to watch that video, correct? Okay, so this is all about your IB Geo syllabus. Now start your preparation for phase 2. I hope already you started. And if you have any other query, any doubt which you think I didn't cover and I should cover in the next videos, then you can comment down below. Okay, all the best.